Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Roxy. Today's menu is the authentic Jamaican rice and peas, cooked in flavorful coconut milk. Let's get started. Here I'm going to add 2 cups of red kidney beans. I washed and soaked the beans for about 2 hours. I added 3 cloves of garlic. This is not only to add flavor to the pot, but it helps to tenderize the beans. After 30 minutes of cooking, I'm about to add my coconut milk. I'm using 2 packs of coconut milk powder mixed with 1 cup of water. Pour mixture into the pot and stir. Here you can see the beans are nicely cooked. Now let's prepare the rice. Make sure to wash rice thoroughly. Get rid of all the starch. Here I'm using 2 pounds of jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Let's add some flavor to the pot. Some scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento seeds. Guys, please use a whole pepper. I like my rice and peas with a little bit heat, but not too much. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. You can spice it up your way. I'm going to cover it up and let the season flavor the pot. I'm going to let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. You can smell the amazing aroma in the air. The smell of the garlic, the Scotch bonnet pepper, everything just coming all together. Look at it, bubbling, beautiful, colorful. Now we are ready to add the rice to the pot. Make sure to stir well to evenly distribute the beans. Add 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter, which is optional, but to me, it brings additional flavor to the pot. Cover and steam rice on medium heat for 50 minutes. We are almost done. Cover again, steam on low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. There you have it, foodies. Real home cooked authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Fluffy, cooked just right. You can serve this up with any meat or vegetable of your choice. I will leave a detailed list of the ingredients in my description box below. I know my family and I are going to enjoy this, especially on this beautiful Sunday. Try this recipe and share it with your families. Come back to this channel and tell me how it turned out. So as always, I want to thank you all for watching, especially until the end. Guys, help me push this and all my videos through the algorithm. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. I appreciate the love and I appreciate the support. Thank you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.